Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Diksha Singh. Let's talk about knee osteoarthritis and how common it is and how to deal with it, how to manage it. So, as a physiotherapist in my clinical practice, I see you can't imagine more than 60% patient suffering from, like in my clinical practice, is coming to me for a knee osteoarthritis. So, as you can see, there's a cartilage. So, in the knee osteoarthritis, there's a rubbing or damaging of this cartilage started, because of which these two bones, this knee joint, these two bones started rubbing together. There's a joint space reduced. लाइक ऐसा आपने सुना होगा, गठिया एक वर्ड होता है फॉर अर्थराइटिस, उसमें जो जॉइंट स्पेस बेसिक रहेगा बिकॉज कार्टिलेज अभी घिस गया है, डैमेज हुआ है, तो वो एक दूसरे पे लाइक ऐसा बैठने लगेगा. Like, so these bone, whenever you're walking or doing any activity with the knee, they started rubbing together. It can cause your knee stiff or causing you swelling, and it is worsening day by day if you are not treating it. So let's talk about it more. Like it's started damaging like this. Then there come the moderate stage when both cartilage are damaged, and the advanced stage with this damage of cartilage, there is erosion, osteophytes formation. Your osteoarthritic knee look like this. As you can see, so you can see this is a normal, ये बिल्कुल एक normal knee कैसा रहेगा कि there's a space in this space there's a cartilage, articular cartilage will be there. इसकी वजह से movement देखो कितना frequent easily हो रहा है. But if you are osteoarthritic, तो देखो joint space reduced हो गया, अब more pressure जो है वो इस मिडल साइड पे आएगा. दैट्स वाई जो मोर फ्रीक्वेंट जो पेशेंट कंप्लेंट करेगा वो बोलेगा कि मिडल साइड में डॉक्टर मुझे पेन होता है व्हेनेवर आई एम वॉकिंग, और विथ प्रोलॉन्ग चांसेस वो उसका नी ऐसा बाहर की तरफ होने लगेगा. तो मोर चांसेस है कि पेशेंट व्हेनेवर ही और शी इज वॉकिंग उसका पैर बाहर की तरफ जाएगा और उसको ऐसा लगेगा कि उसका जो पैर है नी बाहर की तरफ आ रहा है. तो दिस इज लाइक अभी आपको समझ आया कि ये नॉर्मल नी है एंड दिस इज योर ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिक नी. सो नाउ लेट्स सी इट इन डिटेल. It's a basic your normal cartilage or normal arthritis, normal basic your knee looks like without any wearing and tearing of joint. This is when you started getting your bony erosion in your cartilage. Then there's like more moderate stage, and this is the advanced stage. Osteophytes formed, your bone is completely, your joint is completely damaged, and so this is basically a erosion or you can damage of your cartilage, because of which a friction आएगा and वो stiffness and pain cause करेगा. So now again, what causes the osteoarthritis? So basically the arthritis is basically caused by your overweight, or it can be because of you are more getting like genetic, your genes can be the cause. If your mother, father or any grandparents suffering, or in any history of your family you're getting it. And then third stage, you are like you are wearing too much pressure on the joint. Somewhere here you're creating too much pressure, like you are in any job, like for example if you're a doctor or you're a surgeon, you are creating more pressure, you're overusing a joint, so it's a wearing and tearing of joint. And again, it can be because of any injury to knee, or if you are born with a condition like a knock knee condition, or your various condition is there. So these are the condition where you're more prone to, and who is more prone to, like women is more prone to, and if you're 40 plus, that means that your wearing and tearing of joint will be more. And menopause can be the factor also, because there is like just more chances of getting because of the hormonal changes. So these are the most common, and these are the cause. Let's talk about the symptom. Like there's a friction when you're walking, when you're suffering from osteoarthritis, like it's an advanced stage. It's like how you can see how damaged it is. So there is more friction when you walk, there's stress while you're walking, and pain will be there on your middle side of a compartment of a knee joint, and like stiffness, swelling, redness, and whenever you touch the joint it is like hot, somewhere like you will feel temperature is rise. से पता करें कि like if you are having any signs or symptoms, simple सिर्फ इतना चेक करना है कि जब भी आप वॉक कर रहे हो तो either you can walk freely or not. Second, जब भी वॉक करना पड़ रहा है तो जो मीडियल साइड है कंपार्टमेंट, आर यू गेटिंग अ वेरी वर्सन पेन, और दो पेन जो है ऑल्दो मॉर्निंग में बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, और एट अ नाइट में लाइक यू जस्ट वोक अप कि इट्स अ पेन लाइक हेल, एंड इट्स नॉट ईजिंग आउट विद एनी आइदर थ्रू रेस्ट ऑल्सो. एंड सेकेंडरी कि जब भी वॉक कर रहे हो तो एक क्रेपाइटिस साइन यू आर गेटिंग इट, एंड पेशेंट हमेशा कंप्लेन करता है कि डॉक्टर लगता है मेरा पीछे का नस में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. कुछ नस में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, सिंपल बिकॉज ऑफ द नी लॉकिंग हो रहा है लगातार, तो इसकी वजह से पीछे hamstring मसल इज गेटिंग टाइट बिकॉज ऑफ द अंडर यूज. सो नाउ अगेन, so we'll go out for X-ray, MRI, joint aspirations. We are tracking it out. to get it out, कि okay, what's the condition you're suffering from. It's arthritis or not, because knee pain conditions are so common, but it's not frequent कि it should be like कि सारे जितने भी knee के pain हो रहे हैं वो arthritis ही होंगे. नहीं, it's not necessary. So don't confuse your every knee pain with the osteoarthritis. Or if you find any pain, please go to your nearby like professionals, any orthopedic doctors or your physiotherapy doctor. You can go either two of them. So as it's a World Physiotherapy Day, so I'm just giving you it as like my gift to everyone like who is suffering or who is not aware about the word osteoarthritis, knee joint. So if you are suffering from osteoarthritis, अगर गठिया है तो please don't worry about it. कोई तो नस नहीं दब रहा है पहले तो. Second चीज़, if है तो आपके डॉक्टर्स देख लेंगे. You don't have to Google it. Please go to your doctor, meet your doctor. They will help you out, and just at least go to physiotherapy doctor, because they can help you out with the muscle part, which is like ignored by rest of fellow one. So your quads, your hams का अगर एक्टिवेशन होगा तो एटलीस्ट आपका जो लाइक ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस once it is there, it can't be cured 100%, but it can be managed. So please visit your doctor and just be pain free without any like pain or medication or any wrong medication which you are taking without any consultation. And please don't take any medication, because it can be surgery free, it can be medication free. Just go to exercise, because exercise is the best medicine you can ever have. So I'm Dr. Diksha Singh. I'm founder of Hormonal Wing and author of a book. It's all about pregnancy and it's all about periods. So if you want, you can take my consultation also for online. Just consult through www.hormonalwings.com, or you can just find me on LinkedIn. That's Dr. Diksha Singh.